Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. The mighty Elon Musk has caused Dogecoin to spike again, but only by about 20%. And that's mainly because the rest of crypto is actually down. Doge is down much less than most crypto. It was actually up like 2 minutes ago when I checked. It's only down 0.68%. And as you can see, everything else, including Bitcoin, is down a lot more besides the stable coins, but they do not count. Now, what did actually Musk show on Twitter? There was a Twitter company talk, and like a lot of this is like Twitter campaign propaganda. Some of it's true, some of it's probably some kind of like doctored statistics to make it show what he actually wants to show. But they do have a lot of users. They say hate speech impressions are lower. I haven't really seen any of that, and they say bot impersonations have actually dropped. I actually haven't seen that either. I think bot impersonations are actually pretty high on Twitter still. And the bot activity is way higher than it still used to be, because like every single tweet basically has essentially like a bot reply at this point. And that really didn't happen a couple of weeks ago. But I want to focus on the more of the payments thing. Now, what's weird is Elon did not actually mention Doge in any of the slides, but of course, we know that he's been like teasing and hinting Dogecoin all the time. So Dogecoin fans took that to the bank, and that's why Dogecoin rose. Now, it is very possible that Twitter will use some kind of crypto payment. My guess is if they do use it, it'll probably be Bitcoin via Lightning Network. It's kind of like how Visa Bitcoin kind of works. And I think that'll be instant. They could just integrate some non-crypto Venmo into the system as well. And that definitely could be an easier integration than some of the crypto integration that Elon Musk has actually talked about. But nonetheless, there's going to be a lot of speculation around Doge. And I really wouldn't be surprised if after we had a little bit of a trace, we go back up closer to 10 cents or something. Now, the overall market obviously is going to take a bit of a dump as Monday approaches because, I think like there's some probably regulatory headwinds coming in, as there will be some like penalties for, I guess, like celebrity influence and stuff from across different countries, especially after the FTX fallout. And the FTX fallout is still lingering. And we are above 16,000 right now. There's a decent chance we drop below 16,000 because of the headwinds that are actually coming in the following week. Of course, there is the December interest rate hike. I think that's December 13th, 14th, but I think that should actually be priced in. Overall, next week I think should be okay unless Genesis falls apart. But Dogecoin, I think, might actually peak past 10 cents sometime in the next day or two because of the speculation around Elon Musk. Whenever Elon Musk says anything about payments, a lot of people automatically assume it's Dogecoin. I think that's a wrong assumption, but a lot of people automatically assume it's like Dogecoin. It's the same thing as like when anything else says anything about payments, they assume it's XRP. A lot of the army does, but they're usually pretty much always wrong, but they still assume it. It's the same thing with like the Doge fans. Like when Twitter is basically supposedly like related to payments or supposedly related to crypto in any way, it's Doge. They assume it's Dogecoin. My guess is it's probably going to be Bitcoin, but Dogecoin is definitely a possibility. They could just throw it in there. This is something that people really do like to speculate on. And I do think it'll actually have a positive overall impact on Dogecoin price in the next couple of weeks, at least positive in relation to Bitcoin price. Dogecoin market cap and rank has climbed one. It's jumped above 88 for now. And I think it has some positive potential based on what Elon Musk is doing for Twitter. Now, if Twitter goes into the ground because it doesn't have any advertising revenue, that's going to affect Doge negatively. So based on if you think Elon's actually going to make it out of this and pull Twitter out, and that could actually be like your investment strategy into Dogecoin. I put money in at 6.9 cents, so I'm actually pretty happy. I only have about 2,500 Dogecoin, but I made maybe $100 so far from Dogecoin. I am counting on it to like go to $1 or more next bull run because I think that hype is there. And last time it did get to 75 cents, so $1 does not seem to be that much off. But if you're wondering why Dogecoin is overperforming the market, that's why. It's because of Elon Musk's tweet. Even though he did not mention Dogecoin, people are still speculating that Dogecoin will be the payment system. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.